Alright, today's going to be the last video of the GSR Rescue and Revival series, at least until spring or summer when it warms up enough where I can paint the car because it is now cold out. It's bogus. I really want to paint this car, but it is what it is. So today I'm going to be wrapping up the interior. I got to do the center console, just little things here and there. I'm not even going to detail it yet because it's kind of too cold. Like, all the wet stuff won't evaporate quick enough. It's going to be kind of annoying just smearing around dirt. But first I'm going to throw in a few clips of something I worked on like after work one of the days. I fixed the center console and stuff. So I'm going to throw those clips in and then we'll get into this video. Just a little side project with the interior. I'm swapping the hinge. This is the GSR center console, and this is the one out of the parts car. The hinge is very bent on the GSR one, so I'm gonna swap the hinges over. Just one more thing that is kind of nice. This one's broken as well on the parts car. The guy just like ripped it out. So also swapping the bottom piece because the one on the parts car, the clip is still there intact. The rubber little grommet things are still there, and it's just nicer condition overall. So that's going in the GSR. There it is. Now I have a almost mint center console, and I have the little filler pieces here as well that I took from this car. And I apologize, I didn't get a video last week. We got snowstorm and I had to get maintenance done on my Toyota, and there was a wiring issue with my taillights I had to fix, so it was kind of just a standstill for the projects because I had to get my truck going. I forgot I swapped the BBSs on here as well since the last video. These tires are just a lot better than the ones that were on these wheels, and I have these studded ones for my green car since I daily drive that. One of these for the rear just has to get tar because it's leaking. Also, if you watch one of the other videos, I can't remember which one it was, but there was a really sketchy kill switch that was zip tied to the freaking metal here. And I didn't even realize it was still active, but I was driving the other day and I kept having it cut out randomly. The engine would just cut out but come back on for like a split second. And it turns out that kill switch was still wired into the relay here. So it was all back there, and I had to pull all this apart. I don't know if I can show you, but I fixed the, oh yeah, I gotta still have it not bolted up yet, but where that black shrink wrap is, they had it tied into there really sketchily. Like, it wasn't even protected from the elements at all. They literally just tied the wires together. It was absolutely sketchy. I think I have a couple pictures I'll throw in here. But anyways, that's just something else I fixed on my days off and in between the last video. Okay, and back to the future now as well. So also today I'm going to do the carpet because this is torn. I took the one out of the parts car this morning right here, and I also had cardboard in there as well, so that's nice. I can get that in there, and right now I'm going to start working on swapping the boot over to this. This was an automatic, but from the parts car, the center console or whatever. I'm pretty sure it just changes over, and I gotta fix this. The typical Integra issue. So this one just looks like it's missing a screw. I'm gonna throw a screw in there and kind of align it better. And this is the old one. They had some hack job wire tapped into there, so I'm not gonna use that. But yeah, I'll swap this over and get ready to put it in. This is really gross, so I'm gonna clean that up quick and then put on the new, or whatever, new to me center console. I'm very glad my parts car had all 4 of these little delete block things, because all the ones on this armrest had just random stuff on them. Actually, one had or 2 of them actually had a giant hole, so that's nice. I'm gonna see if the parts car has that little cover, so I will be right back. Well, couldn't find one, so this is gonna be a junkyard parts list. I'm gonna cram this thing in here for now, since I don't have a radio. That way it kind of looks a little more complete. It's really ghetto, but then I'm not seeing everything behind the dash. And I got a shift knob for it. Nothing special. I just like these basic plain ball shift knobs. It's from like 6-speed or something, but they're like $22. I got one in my green Integra as well. Just simple. Now time to replace the carpet. This tool makes interior stuff way easier than it normally is when you try to yank everything with screwdrivers. Highly recommend the few bucks to get one. Or a pack, rather. It looks much better. I just threw the spare tire in to support that cardboard. I'm gonna wipe down the interior quick, just quick wipe down, get some of the dirt off. I'm not gonna detail it because, like I said, it's too cold. I'm not gonna worry about the back because I gotta pull all these panels out and I'm gonna kind of deep clean it once I get to that point for the subwoofer and stuff. I am missing this panel, which kind of sucks because when I was in New York, I actually had one in my garage for years. And I didn't bring it with me. I don't know what happened to it, honestly. Probably gave it to someone because that's kind of what I did when I was moving. But yeah, interior is much more complete now. Also, I gotta get the Integra out of the garage because I'm gonna pull this up so I can put my new used wheels on. But I do want to sell my RPF ones so I can get Cozy K ones. Maybe, hopefully by summer, I'll have enough money for them. But I just don't like the 16s. And these will probably honestly end up on this car after I get it done painted and whatnot, once I get the wheels for that. So for those of you who have been following the Rescue and Revival series of the GSR Integra, know that I'm giving away the shift knob to one of my subscribers. Basically, you're going to have to work for it because I'm not tech savvy. The way I'm going to do this is I'm going to post this picture here on my Instagram. And what you're going to have to do is comment your YouTube account or YouTube channel, whatever it is that you got, whatever shows up on my list of subscribers, comment that on the picture in the comments. And from there, I'm going to take each name and put it on a list with a number next to it and use a random number generator on my phone to kind of pick a random person for me. And from there, I'll select the winner and I'll put it on my story or whatever. But yeah, that picture, I'm not going to have any giveaway like hints or anything on it. It's just going to be the picture. You're going to have to know that it's there. That way people that haven't watched the videos are not going to know about it, and therefore making your chances higher. I forgot to mention too that I'm going to put the picture up and then I'm going to let it run for 72 hours, so 3 days after the picture is posted, for people to comment on it, because the video, I'm not sure when it's going to upload or whatever, so I'm going to try to upload it or put the picture immediately after I upload the video. That way it's together. I really wanted to get the car painted and stuff before the end of this Rescue and Revival series, but obviously the weather kind of took a crap on me, so it is what it is. That's why I'm just doing the giveaway now, because it's as complete as it's going to be for now. I'm going to be working on it throughout the winter, little stuff here and there obviously, but paint is not going to happen until spring. So if you want to stay up to date with the videos, subscribe if you like the video and like the series. I appreciate a like. Comment if there's anything different you'd like to see. But I'm also going to be tinkering with the other cars throughout the winter as well, so if you want to stay up to date with the projects, subscribe to the channel as well. And thanks for watching.